Can you growl? Nolan, what's a lion say?
Ow.
Oh, that was a good one.
Where's Nolan?
Where's Nolan? Oh, there he is.
There he is.
Where's Nolan?
Where'd he go? Nolan.
Where's Nolan?
Nolan, where are you?
Oh. There he is.
Oh, there you are.
Can you growl? What's a lion say? You done with the growling?
He's going to do it over the plate.
Can you say mama? Hey, mama. Can you say bye-bye? Can you wave? Can you wave bye-bye? Oh, that's a good wave. Clap your hands. Can you clap them together? It's a finger clap.